I've got a new Motorola Solutions radio to show you, the TLK25 LTE. And this one is a great addition to the Wave ecosystem to help your employees stay connected. Hi, I'm Holly Smith, Order Management Specialist with WSI, a value-added Motorola Solutions distributor. We're going to look at the newest wearable communications device they offer, the TLK25 LTE. Before we crack open this box, let's take a quick look at some of the standard features that make the TLK25 LTE truly stand out. You will notice the LTE version looks identical to the recently released TLK25 Wi-Fi only model. With the new LTE model, you'll experience unlimited range thanks to its 4G, LTE, and Wi-Fi connectivity. This connectivity transition is seamless, as the device will determine which connection has the strongest signal and utilize that for the maximum range. And for those of you that don't know, let's break down the difference between Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity, and LTE, long-term evolution, and how it applies to those radios and your business. Think of Wi-Fi like connecting to the internet at home or in a coffee shop. It's for when you're in one place and you use the wireless internet provided by the place or business. If your communication needs are for on-site only, then we recommend the TLK25 Wi-Fi only. The LTE model is what keeps you connected when you're on the move, like when you're working remote while in a vehicle or your job requires you to be outdoors. Because it provides nationwide coverage, it lets you stay connected even when you're not near Wi-Fi. If you think you'll need to communicate in places where Wi-Fi will not always be available, we recommend the TLK25 LTE for your business. I hope that helps clear up a couple of important differences between these two models of the TLK25. Now, let's look at some of the features of the TLK25 LTE. The device carries an IP67 water submersible rating, built rugged enough to withstand the toughest of work environments. It has a 3-year repair warranty. And the TLK25's embedded battery offers a 12-hour lifespan, ensuring it lasts longer than most full shifts. It charges using a USB-C charging cable or with the multi-unit charger. The TLK has up to 96 channels and 300 contacts. Managing the TLK25 LTE remotely is easy via the online portal or mobile app, ensuring that you're always in control. The TLK25 LTE comes with an intuitive voice assistant, so you can talk to the radio just like Siri on your phone. And with just the press of a button, you can check battery life, access settings, make group calls, and this can be done in a few available languages right out of the box. The TLK25 also comes equipped with a designated emergency button and fall alert and lone worker feature. The button is right here. That is available through Motorola Solutions Safeguard package. An additional feature of the LTE model is GPS, which allows for geo-tracking both outdoors and indoors via a third-party solution offering, allowing you to always locate a radio or an employee. One of the unique features that separates the TLK25 device from other wearable devices in the market is the Bluetooth capability. It allows the user the freedom to either wear a wired headset or you can use your own wireless Bluetooth earpiece, making this device versatile for any business. Now that we've talked about the features, let's see what you get in the box. First is the TLK25 LTE radio with its sealed internal battery, a USB-C charging cord, a badge clip to be able to wear the TLK, a wired earpiece, and activation instructions with a QR code and a QR code to access user guide and product information. That wraps up our unboxing of the TLK25 LTE wearable communication device from Motorola Solutions. With its advanced features, rugged design, and unparalleled convenience, the TLK25 LTE is sure to become your go-to communication tool. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.